Foot race or go to court.
So
Yeah.
let's check some heat, brother.
Yeah.
You brought some joints.
Rock, I mean,
Let's check some heat. Let's move this out the way here.
And I need this to be stated because you're and people will obviously start to look on your gram and stuff like this after this.
Right.
Your range of footwear
Guys all over.
is
crazy.
is vast.
Right.
And so there are luxury brands in there.
Yep.
There are, the heat, the sneakerhead heat, the regular impact guy who just grabs this because it completes the outfit. I'm interested to see the joints you selected for today based on the range that you're capable of.
So it's funny. I had a conversation with my girlfriend about this. Right? She was like, "You just buy things, and then you just leave them there. You only wear them once. You just buy things, and you don't take care of them. Right? So like, you just buy it, and you don't."
Right.
And my thought process is because we come from the era of we have it.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? There's an era that
it.
we come from. It's like, we have it.
I know,
we don't
yo.
have it.
I got
to
that.
Wear it. I got that. Oh,
I got that.
It's kind of like almost a collector's item, right?
Yeah.
It's one of those things that we're collecting. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So she's like, "Oh, you got those pair of Gucci's and you only wore them twice."
Yeah, but
I got them and I did that.
I did that. Now I got these new joints.
So I got these
to
new
wear this
joints,
and
right?
that.
I got these new joints. So let's put a little heat. I probably won't even wear these once. I'll let y'all do it.
Let's do it. Joe, please.
All right. Well, first off, we're going. I got an Air Max box.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If these are what I think they are,
Okay.
I'm gonna feel some type of way.
All right.
Let's go.
Get your feelings hurt.
Let me. I think they are what. God damn it! I just said if they are what I think they are, I'm gonna feel some type of way.
Give me one of them shits.
Let me, and I need this to be on. I need this to be on record right now. Right? I'm going to grab my phone.
Okay.
I'm going to show you a text message.
Okay.
And I want you to see what's the date of that text message,
July 9th.
which would be
Today, right?
yesterday.
Yesterday. Yeah.
Yesterday.
Yeah.
What did I say right here?
I wanted those bad. Those had the picture on the back. I was gonna grab them and hold them for yeah.
Yesterday.
Yeah.
It's a fine line.
That's the universe just working itself.
It's a fine line between I wanted to get those and I got those.
Got them. There's a problem. There's a problem.
It hurts.
Getting them.
It hurts.
Because the video of my cousin Tim out in LA, shout out to Tim, he had the other ones that I wanted. I wanted both of them.
Right.
Because
Orange
these
and these are the great.
the colors
I'm
on
not
these,
even
man.
I'm not a tough guy by any stretch, right? But I'm over here. I'm ready to take the 19. What was it? Probably the 80s b-boy stance.
Put your
like,
foot
yo,
next to him.
What size you wear?
What size you wear?
because I see a 9 in these right now. I'm like, yo, I got like.
But look at the soul, because
Oh, it's tough.
I'm already in it. I don't know what you're talking about.
I just didn't want to cut them off. I'm sitting there like,
Right.
yo, son.
Okay. All
Joe,
right.
go ahead, please.
Go.
Joe already got the soul out.
I'm here for all
insoles
of it.
out?
First and foremost, I need to make sure that there aren't any other shoestrings,
Laces?
Let's see. I think,
any other laces.
No, so he comes with the. It comes with the key. Well, he'll talk about it. It comes with a keychain.
Yeah. They got the
Something's
keychain
on your
the joint.
side.
Yeah. So
Okay.
it comes with a cool keychain.
I'm not gonna say here and lie. I haven't seen these before.
Okay.
So yeah,
So-
I missed these.
So these are a Japanese brand, if I'm not mistaken.
Kasina?
Yeah.
Yeah, the
It's a
Kasina.
Japanese
So
brand.
it's a Japanese brand collab.
Yes.
And there were two colorways. There was this colorway, and the other one was more fall colors with orange and burgundy. And but the dope part about it is the majority of the advertisements for them, they had them side by side, 1 foot, 1 foot.
Yeah.
And God, all right, so
It's a lot. It's a lot.
this is
Joe, I'm depending on you right now.
Yeah. Get it together.
Okay. These are so crazy. These are so crazy because of the detail that comes along with them. Like they left nothing to chance, right?
Nothing.
So nothing has been skipped. You talk about underneath the sole. First, it's a completely clear sole.
Yep.
Yeah.
It's
And
like
it's
a,
on purpose for you to see the pigeon underneath.
lavender tone.
Yeah.
I would say that it's not a pigeon. It's
What
a
is
duck.
it? A duck.
A duck.
Duck. Forgive me.
Yes.
So you got the duck underneath. Now you've got this little flower here on the toe.
Yep.
Which is crazy.
Yeah.
And
But-
the actual swoosh is like a tree branch because it
It's a
got
branch.
leaves coming off of it.
Absolutely. So you've got that. Then you've got, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different textures
Yeah.
here.
Yeah.
Right? So
6. You got
6.
suede, leather,
Granite leather.
This is like a
granule
wool.
leather.
It's a
You
wool.
got-
This is a wool right there.
This is like
cow hair.
like a
mohair.
mohair,
like
or
mohair.
I guess it's supposed to be the duck. So
duck.
it'd be the duck here.
and this top part is a whole different type of wool.
Yeah,
From
that's
other-
wool, but then this is suede
rough
around.
Suede. The rough suede is nasty, son.
Man,
I just love them because of the craftsmanship.
The craftsmanship.
That's one thing that. So I watch you guys do this, right? And
Yeah.
What being from the culture, what we emphasize is
Yeah.
craftsmanship.
Yeah.
Right?
yeah.
Where you can tell that Nike and the collaborations really put in some thought.
Just some
behind
time.
it.
Yeah.
Right into the effort of craftsmanship because
Yeah.
you're not going to get this as a knockoff. It's
No,
too much.
It's too much.
There's
You
too
can't
much
do that.
detail involved. And look, and now we're talking about the insole.
The insole is like a cork
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
styled,
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not actual
but
cork.
it's not.
It just.
It's not
They
thick,
made it in that way.
but it's all cushiony,
Right.
right? And so, I'm gonna do something today that I've never done on any of our unboxings before.
Okay. All right.
I'm going to tell the world
Right.
that after seeing these
Yes, sir.
and the conversation with my cousin Tim out in LA, I'm getting these. I'm telling you now. So if this is the first on record, quote unquote, bite ever,
I'm getting these.
I'm getting these duck joints.
And we
Period.
forgot the keychain.
Oh, I'm gonna get it. Yeah. The keychain is nasty. The big silver ring.
Now I'm gonna let you rock because that was on your joint. It wasn't
Yeah,
on mine.
yeah,
So
Yeah,
you-
yeah. So
Yeah. And
Well,
it's-
one
and it's-
last thing before we switch.
Hold on.
The tongue is like the craftsmanship on the butter leather on the tongue is crazy, son.
yeah.
And then
You can see the exposed foam on the tongue too. It's a rough cut.
in between the two layers of quality leather, because there's a cream leather underneath, and then there's the charcoal leather on the top, and then they put that foam in between,
It's a very
stitched
good
it
cop.
together.
It's a very, very good cop.
I ain't come to play with you boys.
And
I
then
ain't come to play with you.
the cream. And I'm telling you right now, I'm gonna chase this little red stripe down. Y'all can't see this, but around that right there, whenever I wear what I'm gonna wear, when I get these,
Right. They're gonna have a red.
it's gonna have something red small in
a
it.
little accent.
Let me make a
what-
couple points. One, if he gets these, because I'm gonna get to that in a second, he could get a shirt that has red on the inside tag, and it matches. I know it's there. You don't see it, but it's there. Second, if these are more than $30 over regular price, Joe's not gonna get them.
They are, and I'm telling you,
You gonna do it?
I didn't get them until now.
You gonna step up? You know?
I am. They were at my threshold.
We are making history.
Now,
Your
because
levels
of
is crazy.
these joints are nuts.
Nuts. This is a very good grab, son.
Yeah, thank you.
Good
Appreciate
cop. Very good cop.
Golly.
This is a quality shoe. But listen, so we didn't even talk about the Nike joint right here. It's like wood. It's wood.
It's wood.
Yeah.
It's
You
official
know what I'm
wood.
saying?
Yeah.
It's wood, B.
Yeah.
Like they crush these.
Yeah.
The whole
And the
tag,
Japanese.
It's all in Japanese.
The Japanese.
Yeah.
I feel like singing Elephant Man so bad.
And they weren't released in the U.S.
Huh?
These were not released in the U.S.
You know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about, right? I had to cut this out. Yo, look at the keychain has the fabrics on it.
All the fabrics that
same
came.
fabric
I didn't
that's-
know that.
leather in the
didn't know
The same fabric that's
that.
stitched into the back here.
You can't
is
get the
stitched
fabrics
into
on
the-
it.
Oh, I gotta actually use this.
You gotta use that.
I gotta. This gotta go. on
Whenever you wear these, you gotta put that on your key.
put on my belt loop like you used to do back in the day. Put on my belt loop.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Right here.
Yo, these is hard, son.
I'm getting these.
Oh, wait a minute. Okay, yeah. Okay, I see what happened.
What's up?
Well, I'm looking at the lavender, but if you see towards the front, it kind of gets lighter, and it's
Yeah.
just because of what's underneath, the
Underneath,
underlay
yeah.
on the.
'Cause this is a clear
It's
sole.
nice. It's nice. They did a great job, and then the off-white, the cream, not off-white, but the cream mid sole is a really good touch. I love just the cream throughout, and it has no white except for the tag.
Okay,
You know what I'm
on the
saying?
top,
That's the
right,
only
right.
white on it, and it's not even super bright either. I mean, they just did a great job, and there's a little bit of white on the bird too. And then cream check on the outside, and then I don't know what we call this color. You know what I'm saying? On the inside.
I just caught something. The tab. What they did with this sneaker is incredible.
Oh, it's leather.
It's
Leather,
leather.
yo. It's leather, baby.
Wow.
It's leather, but it's not the normal. It's not the normal one that when they put it on the tongue, it's just a little just a little slit, right? That this would slide through. They actually wrapped it and stitched it. This is like a hook.
Oh, I see.
That's a
I see.
whole
Yeah.
hook.
Yeah, look at that right there. Yeah, I see. Yeah.
Oh yeah. I see what you're saying. Yeah.
No, it's really no, man.
I've got a style tip that I'm gonna give you off camera after this.
Okay.
Something that you're gonna need.
Okay.
That I found because of the last couple pairs I got have this off-white sole and strings.
Yeah. All right, no.
Yeah, and the numbers on it right now.
You coordinate like
telling you.
shout out to Pops. Coordinate.
Yo, these are incredible.
That
son.
that rough suede it does
This
it to me, man.
gray.
I love that. Hard, son.
I ain't coming to play with y'all, man. You know what I mean? Put this right here.